Hello my viewer and welcome back to another unboxing, view and test. Today I have this cordless pruning saw 20V from Parkside, the model PGHSA 20LIB1. Bare unit only, battery and charger not included, max cutting length 16 cm, chain speed 8 meters per second, accessories included. It is compatible with all batteries in the X20V Team series with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how to use it. I like the case. Same case like all the tools from Parkside. Inside we have the manual. If you want to read this, your choice, but stay with me, you're going to find out all about this product. Only the tool and lubrication. Bio-chain oil. 50 ml. Plenty space for what? You can use the 8 Ah performance battery or the 4 Ah performance battery. You can have install it one battery here. It fits perfect, yes. The second battery you can have here, and here you can have your 4.5 amps fast charger or the regular charger. It is your choice. I use the regular charger. It will take longer to charge your battery, but the life of your battery, it will last more. There's the tool. Here we have the on-off button. Press this button and then the on-off switch. It doesn't work continuously. You need to press all the time the button for your safety. Soft grip elements here and here at the front on a black and green color. The guard for the chain. Front hand protection here. Mounting screw. You can remove this cover. And then you can remove and the chain. Replace it after a long time of use. And again, to install first this hole here. Press and then install and the chain. Okay, and then install and this cover with a screw. Okay, perfect. So the only thing that you need, it is a battery. I will use the 8 Ah battery. Instantly it stops. Okay, and when you need, you can use and lubricate for the lubrication of the chain. So now let's move on and test it, see how it works. that was 15 centimeters of wood and was so easy to cut, together with the 8 Ah professional battery that makes the difference. You can use it anywhere because it works on battery and it is portable. Use it in your garden to cut thick branches and more, with a cost only 40 euros. Now if you don't have battery or charger, then you have to give more 40 euros for the 4 Ah battery and 70 euros for the 8 Ah, plus a charger 12 euros. I like the results of a clean and fast cut on the wood. Thank you for watching, my viewer. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the notification bell. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.